Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. Style, space, and amenities. This is everything but compromise. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, rear park assist, manual telescoping steering column, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, remote engine start smart device, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports overall the Traverse is quiet and comfortable under most conditions. On the highway, engine and wind noise are low and the ride is excellent. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.